Hello everybody. 1 week ago I posted my first video to my channel, and today it's the second week of our long-term journey. What are we going to do in this week? This week I will be learning one of the main goals of my program, Python. Today I'm starting to learn Python from scratch. I have absolutely no idea how Python works, but I'll start learning it because it's very important to know coding. Even though AI can now write code, Python is still a critical skill because simply asking AI for code is not enough at some point. I need to understand how systems work, know how to build, and can guide AI to turn a vision into a real product. That's the reason I learned Python. Before we start, I want to tell you that I did my first investment to my YouTube channel and bought a microphone because I noticed that the voice quality in the first video is actually bad. So I ordered a microphone so that you will hear me better right now. Here you can see. Okay, so now we can start. I will watch the video, but the strategy here is not watching the whole video without doing nothing. The strategy is I'll watch 15 or 20 minutes of the video and then I'll execute. I'll try to code myself so that I understand Python better. So let's start with the time lapse. Right, so now I'll show you what I learned, each of them one by one. So basically, first one, I learned, of course, print project founder, for example. Project founder will be viral. Let's do this. Project founder will be viral. Okay, that's cool. So that's the first thing we learn in Python. So here, it asks our name. What is your name? This is an input. Input is our answer. Color. So it asks what's your favorite color with our answer to the previous question, name question. And it prints this one. So let's try this. Right, it asks here, as you can see, what is your name? So let's type a random name, Max, right? Max. Hi, Max, what's your favorite color? Let's say blue. Max likes blue. So this is the start of another thing, this one. So the first one is like this, Max likes blue. Right, the other one, kilogram. We type our weight in terms of kilogram and it converts it to lbs, okay, and tells you are lbs. Let's try this. So weight, let's say 70 kilograms. You are 154 lbs. All right, here's other codes. We defined blah print blah upper. So basically this prints blah in uppercase, upper characters, like just like here, This does the opposite of it with lower letters, This print len blah counts how many characters are there in this. Look, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. It also counts spaces. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it's right, 11 here. Print blah replace dot bot. So this basically replaces the word dot with bot. So here, bot. We can do dot with project founder. Project founder. Nice. So, and this is independent from the rest of it. This is math. So we define an x value and type the calculation here. So 2 plus 3 times 5 times 4 plus 3. First, we will add 4 and 3, 7. 7 times 5, 35. 35 times 3, 105 plus 3, 107. Plus 2, sorry, 107 here. Y, 3 plus 4, this means to the power of. So 4 to the power of 2, which is 16 plus 3, 19. Here you can see. And there is a very important topic. If is hot, if is true. Print it's a hot day, and also print drink plenty of water. Else if it's cold. Print it's a cold day, print wear warm clothes. Else print it's a lovely day, print enjoy your day. So let's run this. Okay, so since it's hot is true, it will type it's a hot day, drink plenty of waters. It's a hot day, drink plenty of waters. If we change this to false and this to true, so now it's cold, it will print it's a cold day, wear warm clothes. Let's try. It's a cold day, wear warm clothes, enjoy your day. Okay, now I will show you weather commenter that I coded. Let's see, what's the temperature? Temperature is 32 degrees. It's a hot day. Let's do it again. It's 45. It's an extremely hot day. 24. It's a wonderful day. 18. It's a cold day. Look. So basically, it's pretty easy. So if the temperature is more than 40, it prints it's an extremely hot day. Higher than 30, smaller than 40 or equal to 40, it's a hot day. Higher than 20, smaller or equal to 30. Between 10 and 20, it's a cold day. Between 0 and 10, it's a very cold day. And if it's colder than 0 degrees, it's an extremely cold day. Let me show you one more thing. By the way, I copy these from there so that doesn't mix. Nickname confirmer. So we type our nicknames and it controls it if it's a suitable nickname, all right? So let's do it. Enter your nickname. Projects founder. You have a perfect nickname. Basically, len, remember, counts the characters of the sentence. So if the nickname we picked has less than 5 characters, then it types this. Let's try. Hey, nickname must be at least 5 characters. So it's not a suitable nickname. If the nickname has more than 50 characters, I don't want to try it. Actually, let's try like this. All right, so it's probably more than 50. Nickname must be at most 50 characters. Last one, mass unit converter pro. So actually it's not pro, but it's the best version that I coded. Let's try it as well. Weight, let's say 70 again, and it asks lbs or kg, so it's kilogram for us, kilogram. 154. That's it. Let's type lbs. For example, 145. Say this, and 65.83. For week 2, that's all that I learned. I'll be learning during the upcoming weeks also. Let me give you a quick overview of what I have done so far. So I'm still reading The Lean Startup. I read 52 pages so far. Since these kind of books don't have the same flow as novels, you have to understand every sentence word for word and research some of the terminology. That's why the book is progressing a bit slowly. So far, the book generally discusses who an entrepreneur is, what a startup is, and what the basic stages of a startup should be. I'll explain it in more detail when I finish the book. About the CS50 video, I'm still watching CS50. I'm on the second hour of the 24 hours video, and so far it's going well. I've learned the basic workings of computers with the numbers 0 and 1, and I'm starting to learn the logic of coding. The video is very long, but I feel like I'm learning efficiently. This is my progress at the end of week 2. We have a long way to go. If you want to develop yourself for the future along with me on this journey, you can subscribe. Also, if you like the video, more people who want to improve themselves can see us and be inspired. See you next week.